Welcome to our channel. Today we'll show you how to install Paramount Plus on your Google TV step by step. This guide will help you start streaming your favorite movies, TV shows, and Paramount originals quickly and easily. Step 1. Turn on your Google TV. Plug in your Google TV and turn on your TV. Make sure your device is connected to a stable Wi-Fi network for smooth streaming. Press the Home button on your remote to access the main menu. Step 2. Go to the Google Play Store. From the home screen, scroll to Apps and select Search for Apps. This will open the Google Play Store, where you can find and download new applications. Step 3. Search for Paramount Plus. Type Paramount Plus in the search bar using the on-screen keyboard. Make sure to select the official Paramount Plus app from the search results. Step 4. Install the app. Click Install to download Paramount Plus on your Google TV. The installation usually takes a few moments depending on your internet speed. Step 5. Open Paramount Plus. Once installed, select Open to launch the app. You can also access it later from your Apps section on the home screen. Step 6. Sign in or subscribe. If you already have a Paramount Plus account, enter your email and password to sign in. If not, follow the on-screen instructions to create a new account and choose a subscription plan. Step 7. Start streaming. Once signed in, you can browse movies, TV shows, and exclusive Paramount originals. Use your Google TV remote to navigate, search, and add favorites to your watch list. And that's it. Paramount Plus is now ready on your Google TV, giving you endless entertainment options. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss our step-by-step tutorials.